Hey, Children's Ministry volunteers, so great to have you. I am so excited to have you be a part of this team. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you our Maranatha Resources website. This is going to be absolutely everything that you need to know as a volunteer is going to be on this site. So when you go to the site, maranatharesources.org, as you scroll down, you can click on any of these banners. You'll see on the left-hand side we have how to serve, curriculum, and scheduling. If you click on the how to serve page right here, it'll take you to a 4-step process. So I just wanted to walk you really quick through the 4-step process. The first one is Children's Ministry Basics, then safety training, classroom training, and curriculum training. So if you scroll down a little bit, it has different things that you can do under the Children's Ministry Basics. The first one we would recommend is that you would go through a 4-week growth track class that we have here at the church during the second service. If you click on this link, it'll take you to basic information about our growth track and what that looks like, how to sign up. We then ask for all adult volunteers to be background checked. So if you click this link, it'll lead you to a page that explains the background check process, how to get scheduled. All of it is free, but we just ask that you fill out some forms and get the background check done here at Maranatha. Then want to have you fill out a children's ministry application. You click on this link, you just follow the prompts. This process should be fairly quick. Just want to make sure that everybody has up-to-date information on file. I would love to meet with new volunteers and show you around the church, so just schedule a time with me. And then probably the most important thing for you moving forward is going to be knowing how to get yourself scheduled for one of our volunteer opportunities. So we have a quick video, it's about 3 minutes long, that explains how the scheduling process works here at Maranatha. If you follow this down, safety training, we have different forms or videos that you would need to have gone through just for some basic safety that we want around the classroom. So, obviously we want people to be treating kids with respect and kindness and using appropriate affection and not any of the inappropriate things that you see there. There's a process for CPR if that were to come up in a situation with the kids, first aid, and so on. So we have various safety training on here, and we may add some as needed. If you follow that down, you go to the classroom training. We have different types of specialty training if you're going to work with our AV or help be one of our check-in greeters, or if you're going to work in the classroom directly with the kids, we have various training available through videos and other documents and so forth that kind of spells out how the service goes, and so I encourage you to click on those links depending on the area that you plan to serve. And then we follow that up with our curriculum. So we do have Through the Bible in a Year curriculum that we have put together. We can see all the lesson plans here, all the things that we will be teaching the kids over the course of this next year, and that gets updated as we go throughout the year. And you click on the various curriculum links, and it'll show you how to use our curriculum, running a small group, and various other items like that. So I hope that this has been helpful, and that once you've gone through this 4-step how to serve process, you'll know everything that you need to know about getting involved in our children's program. You're welcome to serve in any area that interests you on any day that you're available. And if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to call me or reach out by email. And thank you so much for watching this video. God bless.